Yeah.
Okay. Bensouda, you want to be an aspirant come 2027?
Can you come up again?
Ward ya one ready?
Oh, I'm from Masige West Ward.
My
MCA is Honorable Jacob Bagaka.
Mapema mbuya.
Yeah, mapema is best.
Okay, thank you. Do you want to be an aspirant coach 2027?
Of course, yeah.
Why? Na okay, ni nini ile Bagaka tara korota itugo cha change ya one no musa.
Okay. For now, I can say I don't want to be an aspirant. May become Vision 2030, but from my side, I can say our MCA Jacob Bagaka has done a lot of work. He has done good job. Especially helping the students wenye wako the needy one, students wenye wana join shule. I can see there is a program alianzisha when we join to campus, anakupea kitu kidogo unaanzia maisha. The same thing he did to those students who are in high school. Yeah, and I can say in short, he has done a good job in our ward, and we are expecting him to give him another chance.
Sasa wewe kama Bensouda umesema mapema mbuya 2 term. Whatever was
yeah, 2 term.
Mapema mbuya 2 term.
Yeah, it is 2 term. Even the 3 term can work. He's the best.
He's the best.
Yeah, but for now I'm just for now I'm vying for being a youth representative from Masige Ward.
Okay, thank you. So the question that unafikiria kwamba vijana wanapenda nafasi yao ya uongozi kwa sababu wamekuwa wakiambiwa kwamba mambi hawasae